Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today I'm going to be sharing an easy, creamy ranch chicken crock pot recipe. So let's get started. First up, go ahead and put your chicken in your crock pot. You can use chicken breast or chicken legs, chicken thighs, it's up to you. So next up, we are going to add our diced potatoes. So be sure to cut them up in cube-like or like I cut mine up, and just put it all on top of your chicken. Next up, we're going to add in 2 small cans of cream of chicken soup or just one tall can. Next up, we're going to add a half a cup of whole milk. Next up, we're going to add 1 pack of ranch seasoning. Go ahead and blend up your chicken, potatoes, cream of mushroom soup, milk, and ranch seasoning. And lastly, go ahead and put the top on your crock pot. Set your timer for 4 to 5 hours on high and let the crock pot do its magic. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more yummy videos.